So, excuse me, Storm Ciaran eventually hit, and this is the start of it. It was really windy last night. Apparently at 2 o'clock it's going to be really windy. So hopefully the bikes will be alright outside. It's so windy they've actually switched. I don't know if you can see, they've actually turned the wind turbine off because it will probably blow the damage the blades and the generator if that starts going around too fast. But yeah, very unpleasant as a guy experiencing the worst of it. Trees are blowing, very windy, very windy. Okay, so I've got a few jobs to do today. I'm hoping it's going to be quite quiet actually because of the weather, so hopefully I can get some processing done, get some bikes. I've got one I've got to repair, I've got one I've got to order some parts for, and then it's just dismantle, build, which is a nice day. So I'm going to have the radio on, I'm going to put a lot of it on time lapse so you can watch what I'm doing, and then this afternoon the usual really, tidy up, edit some videos and get them online. Okay, so my first job of the day is to order some new parts for this giant live. We need a new sprocket because this one's worn, and a new chain ring and a new chain in order to get this going. So I'm going to put it on time lapse and just take some measurements so I order the right stuff, and hopefully that will be here soon. So that job's done. You can see, sort of, if I really get in close, you can see how the chain is just really worn. And if you get one of these tools, it's really useful because I'll tell you how worn the chain is. So if I go straight through, this chain has stretched and worn by, I don't know if you can see it very clearly, by 1%. And usually there's another reading on here, it's a bit oily, but it's 0.7%, and once you get past 0.7%, that's normally when things aren't going well. So we'll replace that. I've got the dimensions, I'll order that now, and as soon as they arrive we can fit them. So the next job is this Saracen mantra that well, if I show you, it's not been set up particularly well. So the customer has asked me to sort out the chain, so I'm going to pinch a link out of here, which is where there's a dodgy link, so I'm going to pinch a link out of there, and then we're going to try and set these gears up, because I don't know if you can see, this is a new one on me, but the chain doesn't actually go through the derailleur at the front. So we're going to sort this one out for the customer so that it can be ridden. They're quite budget conscious on this one, so hopefully we'll try and do it as cheap as possible for them. Apparently they're new shifters, they look new to me, we just need some. horrible job. What a horrible job that is. Okay, so let's have a look at what the problem was. Right, so the derailleur that was on here had no springback screw, so it just wanted to curl up in a little ball like that. I tried to repair it, and then I had a good look at it, and it was all over the place. So, replaced the derailleur. I took a link out of the chain, just so you know, new bikes always come with 2 extra links in the chain. They're always a bit longer, so you can always pinch one out in case you break one. And then I've set the gears up, but that's an 8-speed block, and they've put 7-speed shifters on it, which means only one, it's missing one gear, but luckily the spacing's the same. So they've got 7 gears at the back. I've rerouted the chain through here and then set this up as well, so customers should be happy because it's cost a derailleur and labour. So I've just placed an order with our suppliers for some parts and accessories for our customers, things like stabilisers, pumps, locks, that sort of thing, lights, blah 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 blah. So hopefully they'll be here tomorrow. So I need to crack on and get some bikes dismantled. On this one, didn't get much off it. Got a couple of wheels, a couple of tyres, some pedals and some noodles. Everything else is rotten. Oh, we also got a seat pin, saddles dead. Everything else is either broken, crooked or not working. So I've just finished dismantling another bike. I'm now going to focus on getting the website updated with the various bikes and various bits and pieces, and of course upload this video. So please like and subscribe. If you're enjoying these videos, please, if you've got any questions, please ask and I'll do my best to answer them. But we'll see you tomorrow.